Are you constantly told that eating less is the key to losing weight? Well, think again. The truth is, when you drastically cut your calories, your body goes into survival mode. It starts holding on to fat stores, making it even harder to shed those extra pounds. Not to mention, restricting your food intake can lead to nutrient deficiencies, leaving you feeling tired and sluggish. Instead of focusing on eating less, focus on eating better. Fill your plate with nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. By nourishing your body with the right foods, you'll not only feel more satisfied, but you'll also have more energy to crush your workouts and tackle your day. So, the next time someone tells you to eat less for weight loss, remember the truth: it's not about eating less, it's about eating right. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more nutrition tips and tricks.